Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub. Today we're unboxing the much anticipated iPad Pro M4 2024. This is Apple's latest powerhouse tablet that promises to redefine what we think a tablet can do. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, and with this new release, they are pushing the boundaries even further. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology, this device has something for everyone. So let's dive right in and see what makes this iPad Pro M4 so special. First off, let's admire the box design. Apple keeps it clean, simple, and premium as always. The minimalist design is something we've come to expect from Apple, and it never fails to impress. Now let's see what's inside, and here it is, the iPad Pro M4, looking absolutely stunning. Apple has gone all out with this one. The sleek design, the premium feel, everything about it screams quality. Let's set this aside for a moment and check what else is in the box. We've got the usual suspects here. The USB-C cable for fast charging, a 20-watt power adapter, and of course the paperwork that nobody really reads, but it's there if you need it. The inclusion of a fast charger is a nice touch, ensuring that you can get back to using your device quickly. Now, the main event, the iPad Pro itself. Wow, just look at that design. It's razor thin, has flat edges, and feels incredibly premium in hand. The build quality is second to none, and it's clear that Apple has put a lot of thought into every aspect of this device. Apple really knows how to make hardware that wows you. This beauty features Apple's Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion, True Tone, and P3 wide color. It's a 12.9-inch edge-to-edge display with insane brightness and clarity, perfect for creatives and binge watchers alike. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, the display is a joy to use. Apple has kept the design familiar but refined. Here's the USB-C Thunderbolt port making data transfers lightning fast, and on the back, we've got the upgraded dual camera system with LiDAR for AR enthusiasts. The addition of Thunderbolt support means you can connect to a wide range of high-performance accessories, making this iPad more versatile than ever. Let's power this up, and as it boots, let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPad Pro M4 is powered by the new M4 chip, which brings desktop-level performance to a tablet. From video editing to gaming, this thing handles it all like a champ. The M4 chip is a game-changer, offering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, running demanding apps, or playing the latest games, this iPad can handle it with ease. And for those who want to maximize productivity, Apple's Pencil and Magic Keyboard work seamlessly with this device. Whether you're sketching, typing, or editing, these accessories make the iPad Pro a true laptop alternative. The new Apple Pencil is even more precise with near-zero latency. Paired with that stunning display, it's a dream for artists and note-takers. The Magic Keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience and a built-in trackpad, making it easier than ever to get work done on the go. So, there you have it. The iPad Pro M4 2024 is here, and it's every bit as impressive as we hoped. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with features that push the boundaries of what a tablet can do. Whether you're a professional looking for a powerful tool, a student needing a versatile device, or just someone who loves the latest tech, the iPad Pro M4 has something for you. What do you think of the new iPad Pro M4? Are you planning to get one? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech unboxings and reviews. Until next time, this is Your Name, signing off.